Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to apply this dramatic Arabic inspired eye look. So let's get started. আমার ফেসে কখনো বোল্ড লিপ ক্রিয়েট করে দেখানো হয়নি, সো আই এম গোনা ফিল মাই লিপ উইথ বোল্ড লিপস্টিক. আই এম ইউজিং Milani lipstick in shade Devotion. Behind the scene giving direction. This is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoy it. Hope that you are going to try it for any occasion. If you like the video and got inspired, please thumbs up and give me some motivation to do more. For any query, you can leave comment, and please do subscribe, like, share and comment on my channel. Till my next video, be safe and beautiful. Allah Hafiz.